Students, in the previous video just we have seen the construction of this n-channel DMOS-FET, that is depletion MOS-FET. We have seen the construction. What we have seen is p-type substrate, n-channel is formed. N-channel is formed between two n-type blocks, and this metal plate which is deposited on the SiO2 layer acts as gate terminal. So this is source, drain and gate terminal. Now coming to the working of this DMOS-FET. So working means first we have to bias it properly. You know the way of properly biasing the FET. Source should be forward biased with respect to drain. Source should be forward biased with respect to drain. Source is of which type? N-type. Here a negative terminal of a battery is connected here. So you can say source is made forward biased with respect to drain. This condition is satisfied. Next here, the gate voltage what we are applying between the gate terminal and the source. Gate voltage what we are applying between gate terminal and source, which we call it as VGS here. That should be actually gate voltage should be negative with respect to, it should be reverse biased with respect to source BC. Gate should be reverse biased with respect to source here. So as you can see, the gate is insulated from the N channel here. So we cannot say the gate is of N type or P type. So here what we are doing is positive gate voltage and the negative gate voltage both we are applying here. Negative gate voltage means here negative terminal and a positive terminal of a battery, that will take it as a negative gate voltage. If you take this positive and this negative, that will take it as a plus VGS, that is positive gate voltage. So you see here, in order to see the working of this, what we are doing is VDS, that is voltage between drain and source we are applying. Along with that, two types of VGS we are applying, that is positive VGS and negative VGS. So depending on this, we are going to study the working of the MOS-FET under three headings. First one, only VDS applied. Second part is VDS applied with the negative VGS. Then third part is VDS applied with the positive VGS. Understood? So usually in case of JFET and all, we have described the working in terms of two headings, only VDC applied and along with VDC when we apply VGS what happened. Here what we are doing, along with VDS minus VGS applied, what happens, along with VDS plus VGS applied, what happens, and only VDS applied without VGS, what happens. So under these three headings we are going to study the working of this N-channel depletion MOS-FET. So one more sentence I can say here is, it is going to work in two modes. One is called a depletion mode, another one is called a enhancement mode. I have written here, working is in the enhancement mode as well as in the depletion mode. When we say it is going to work in the enhancement mode is when we apply positive VGS along with VDS. When we say it is in the depletion mode, we say when negative VGS we apply with the VDS. That time it is going to operate in the depletion mode. So when we go deep into the working, you will understand what is enhancement mode of working and depletion mode of working. Now to start with the working, we have a background that it is going to operate in two modes, enhancement mode and depletion mode, and under three headings we are explaining it. So taking the first heading, only VDS applied, no VGS. VGS is neither positive nor negative. This is 0 here. So only VDS is applied. Only VDS is applied means, see, you can see here VDS is, this is a negative terminal, this is a positive terminal. As this is negative connected to N type, electrons are going to get repelled by this negative terminal. So they are forced to move towards the drain. So this is N channel, they are forced to move towards the drain. So when they are moving towards the drain here, at the drain, at the positive terminal is there of the battery. So these electrons are going to get attracted by the positive terminal. So the electrons start to move from drain to source, or you can take it from source to drain, which we call it as ID, that is drain current. So only when VDS is applied without any VGS, ID started flowing. If you increase VDS, whatever is applied here, ID increases. But at one particular value of VDS, ID remains constant. This we have seen in the previous case also, that continues here, the same working. Only VDS applied, without VGS, ID starts flowing. If you increase VDS, ID increases, but at one particular value of VDS, ID remains constant. Though you go on increasing the VDS, ID will remain constant. This is first part of the working. What is the next part of the working is, now you are going to apply VGS along with VDS. What you are going to do here? You are going to apply negative VGS along with plus VDS. You apply negative VGS along with VDS. What happens when a negative voltage is applied here means gate becomes negative here. Negative voltage is applied. This negative voltage, it is going to attract the positive holes from the P substrate into N channel, which is shown here. You can see plus plus plus, what we have seen is these are nothing but positively charged holes from P substrate which are entering the N channel because of the negative voltage applied here. Now as holes are going to enter into the N channel where there were majority charge carriers were electrons, now the holes have included here. So that means depletion layer is formed here. Because of this depletion layer, the ID which was flowing here in the absence of VGS, now it starts decreasing. So this you can understand what is the relationship between ID decreasing and the depletion layer formed, which we have studied and discussed in detail for the previous cases. Depletion layer is formed. Depletion layer, when it is formed, the width of the channel is going to get reduced, which is going to block the way for the flow of ID. Therefore, ID is going to get reduced here when we apply negative VGS. If you increase this, what happens? Width of the depletion layer still increases. It may go like this, still blocking the way for ID to flow. So ID again decreases. If you make it maximum, ID may completely get blocked. ID may become 0. So by applying negative VGS, what is happening to the drain current? Drain current is going to get reduced. So therefore we say that MOSFET is operating in the depletion mode. Depletion mode. ID is going to become 0 by the application of VGS. This is second part. Now think reverse. If this VGS applied is a positive, what might happen? If this is a positive voltage, what it can do? It is going to attract the electrons from the P substrate into the N channel, right? It is going to attract the electrons from the P substrate into the N channel. Now what will be there in the N channel? The number of electrons are increased. The number of electrons are increased means more ID is going to flow before what it was flowing without this plus VGS. Now because of a plus VGS along with VDS, what is happening to ID? ID is going to get increased. Why it is going to get increased? Because this positive VGS is going to attract the electrons from P substrate into the N channel, thus increasing the number of electrons in the N channel, which is nothing but increase in ID. So further, if you increase plus VGS, ID is going to get increased. So we say that now our FET is operating in the enhancement mode because current is going to get enhanced here. So therefore it is in the enhancement mode. So this is the working of N channel depletion MOSFET. Hope you have understood. Under three headings we are seeing only VDS applied with VGS is equal to 0. VDS along with minus VGS, VDS along with plus VGS. Only VDS applied, ID started flowing. Negative VGS, ID is going to get reduced. We say depletion mode of operation. Plus VGS, ID is going to get increased, which we say enhancement mode of operation. So this is the working of N channel DMOS FET. taking into consideration of this working of n-channel depletion MOSFET, now we will be drawing the characteristics. This only, in the characteristics what we are going to do? We are going to plot the graph of VDS versus VGS. VDS versus the ID which is flowing here, current at the constant VGS, at the constant VDS versus ID which is flowing here, and VGS versus ID. This voltage versus the current, this voltage versus the current. Where we take this voltage versus the current, that we take it as drain characteristics, keeping this constant. Now when we take this versus the current ID, keeping this constant, that will take it as transfer characteristics. Once you have understood the working, understanding characteristics will not be a problem here. Before we go into the characteristics, you can see here the headings of working of this. Only VDS applied, no VGS. Second heading is minus VGS applied along with VDS. Key points also have shown here, which is in the depletion mode, and third one is plus VGS applied along with VDS. Third point here I have shown it as enhancement mode. Now coming to the characteristics. Characteristics I have told you drain characteristics, and the next one is going to be transfer characteristics. You can see here. Now coming to the drain characteristics. Drain characteristics is VDS applied versus ID at constant VGS. So here VGS is going to be plus VGS and minus VGS. When you apply plus VGS, you call it as enhancement mode. When you apply minus VGS, you call it as a depletion mode, which we have seen. See here, you can see the VGS applied is 0 volts. If you come this way, less than 0 are going to be VGS negative values. If you go above 0 volts, it is going to be positive values of VGS, we can see. So same thing, when VGS is 0, no VGS, only VDS applied, the ID is going to flow, it is going to increase along with the VDS applied here. Then at some point it is going to become constant, ID is going to become constant here, which we have seen. Next is VGS, if you make positive, ID is going to get increased, which we have shown here. If you make VGS negative, ID is going to get decreased. This is the depletion mode and this is the enhancement mode, what we have seen. Depletion mode and the enhancement mode, what we have seen here. So, and this is clearly shown. The working you have understood. Enhancement mode plus VGS, current is going to get increased. Depletion mode minus VGS, current is going to get decreased. This is drain characteristics. Then coming to the transfer characteristics. Transfer characteristics is what? VGS applied versus ID. So this is VGS. VGS here it is going to be positive VGS as well as negative VGS. Both I have shown. What happens to ID? If you consider minus VGS, ID is going to get decreased. You have seen when VGS is 0, the current was maximum. As you go on increasing the negative value of VGS, ID keeps on decreasing and even it may become 0 if you apply a maximum value of VGS. That only what happens for the positive value of VGS, the current ID keeps on increasing, which is shown here, is repeated here. Only the voltage is VGS versus ID. So where the current is going to get increased with the application of positive VGS, we take it as enhancement mode. Where current is going to get decreased here, which is going to become 0 with the application of minus VGS, we call it as a depletion mode of operation. So this is the characteristics, transfer characteristics and drain characteristics of N-channel depletion MOSFET. The characteristics, working, construction of all the FETs are almost same. If you understand the concept without any confusion, you can write. Thank you.